Realize that, for instance, I'm going to ask the girls in this room, what is the one thing that has really been a saving grace for you guys? Let's say a very tiring day where next day you wake up and you have puffy eyes and you're not looking your best. What is the one thing that comes to your mind that has really helped you look your best?
Can we all get an answer there?
Hello, everybody. Good evening to all the respected guests and all my friends out here. Such awards are important. As you know, it's a sports category. And as a child, I always looked up to other influencers and people who motivated me. And now these awards that yes, you can achieve it too, and other people, the new generation, the Now Bharat, yes, the new Now Bharat, the new India looks up to you. So एक responsibility है हमारे ऊपर और आप उसको और strong करते हैं ऐसे awards देके. So thank you Now Bharat Group, thank you so much.
Manisha, since you're a racer, we know that the F1 season is going on right now. Tell me, who is your favorite F1 racer?
Never do ask that. Never.
Why not? Come on, I want to know. We all want to know.
Okay, fine. Lewis. It's Lewis all the way.
Ah, Lois. Okay. Well, then you're not going to like my choice because I love the arch rivals. So.
Darling, every racer out there
Yeah, agreed.
is different and has different streaks out there. So I have learned from everybody out there.
But the one thing which every racer has in common is mental strength, resilience, grit. It's incredible. So to that spirit of sportsmanship, to that mental strength and resilience, let's hear a huge round of applause for that and for your accomplishment.
Thank you, Ramsey. Thank you so much, Alan.
Nalini represents dedication, passion, and as you can tell by looking at her pure authenticity. From sharing traditional Kori recipes on her YouTube channel to reaching 1 million subscribers, launching her own masala brand, and opening a seafood restaurant. My God, we have a full-fledged entrepreneur come content creator. And all while staying true to her roots, she has inspired countless people. So, Nalini ji, thank you so much for teaching us how to stay authentic. Doing so, she has traveled 23 plus countries and worked with multiple luxury travel brands like Cordelia, Cruises, Mar Tourism, Marriott, published in 5 newspapers and Road Track Brand Icon for 2020. She's been featured in multiple magazines on the cover.
Well, alright. I have not seen her till now looking amazing. And keep up with the good work that you are and keep inspiring millions out there with your beauty and lifestyle tips. Thank you so much. Make love and many congratulations with this. Yet again, the Rising Fashion Lifestyle Beauty Convention. And the next winner is for the Rising Fashion Industry. It is his commitment to deliver not just exceptional services, but unforgettable experiences. Imran, let me tell you, your hair dome obviously has to be on point, and it is on point. Do we all agree with the fact? Maybe the best dip-dyed person right now with his hair? Imran?
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया नवभारत का हम जैसे लोगों को प्रमोट करने के लिए इससे बहुत एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है यंगस्टर्स को और सारे लोगों को कि वो और अच्छा करें और अपना बेस्ट देते रहे. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You deserve it by all the right means, Imran. And looking dapper, absolutely dapper as well. Let's not forget about that. tremendous job. Would you want to speak since you've come this close? You can just find you on.
Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome everyone who's come to see the award. Thank you Nav Bharat for recognizing my talent and giving me this award. Well, teaching people requires a lot of patience and hard work, and that's just exactly what I do. I work hard and hard till I succeed, and that's what my motto is, even with my content. Create it so engagingly that everyone is interested and try till you succeed. And this is my first ever award. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to where I believe. Playing in this auditorium. Let's keep clapping and applauding every generous effort that's been put to reach here until this milestone and critical moment. Congratulations to all the winners till now and to Anjali. And next one is again the same category, Rising Influencer. And the next winner is for Emerging Lifestyle Influencer. Ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Sana, for the incredible work that you keep putting across. Many congratulations.
And next we have a very melodious voice with us for the Voice of the Year Male. Please put your hands together for Rahul Jain.
Well, I think let's let her not just let her go. One moment back, your brother has created something really trending, viral stuff out there. Why don't we just hear it from the sister herself? Do we? Shall we? Let's go. Come on, let's do this. I hope it doesn't just come in my dreams. Check. Yeah.
सीधा जाके लेफ्ट ले